Hey, what's up guys? It's Keith here again, and we are in Colchester, Essex, UK, with a really cool car, man. Tell us about this.
Hi. Well, this is a Moris Traveller.
The Moris Traveller.
Yeah. I've owned this for about 40 years.
You've owned it for 40 years.
Yeah, it's actually a 1961 model.
Get out of here.
It still has the flashing indicators with the pop-up arms. And it still function. Yeah.
That's absolutely. Is this the original color?
Yes, it's the original colour. Yes.
Wow. And so what's significant about this particular model? Is it a special edition, or did they all come with wood at this time, or?
Yes, they always came with the wood. They were always made like this. Yeah. So this is the Mark II version. The early ones with the split screens are very rare.
Wow.
But this, these particular models came out in 1953.
And is it sliding glass windows?
Yes, sliding windows, yes.
This is so cool. How many miles are on this?
It's difficult to say. It's been around.
It's flipped a few times, huh?
It's been around 200,000.
200,000 miles on this. This is absolutely awesome. So where did you buy it originally?
Somewhere in Suffolk. It was found in a ditch.
Found in a ditch?
Yeah, my whole purpose was to buy two of them.
Wow.
Make one good one out of two spares, but I never got round to it, and I just bought this one and just restored it. You know?
You've taken better care of it, clearly. That's wild. 40 years. And the 1000, is that the engine displacement, or
that's right, yeah.
that's it?
That's the average age.
What kind of fuel economy do you get out of this?
Yeah, well, if you're careful, you can get about 45, 50.
Get out of here.
Yeah.
Really?
Yeah.
And do you have to add any like lead additives or do anything with the fuel, or
No, you can buy engines now with modified cylinder heads.
Gotcha. Oh yeah, lead free. I see that there.
Now, yeah.
Oh, wonderful. Well, this is a real treat. I'm gonna get this up on the YouTube channel, and yeah, a little bit of car spotting in Essex today.
Lovely.
Thanks a lot. Take care.